Timing belts, tension, and temperature. What do they have in common? Well, we're going to find out next.
This video is sponsored by ENA, a Scheffler brand. Visit repexpert.us for more information.
If you look at any timing belt catalog, they'll recommend not storing the belts at temperatures higher than 85 degrees or even 70% humidity. Why? Well, the belts can degrade over time if they're stored at high temperatures. But how does this tie in on installing a timing belt on an engine? It's always a good idea never to install a timing belt when there's two extremes of temperature on the engine and underneath the hood. You don't want to install a timing belt on an engine where it's just dead cold in the middle of winter. Also, you do not want to install a belt on an engine when the engine has just been shut down. Generally, it's a good idea to let the car hit the ambient temperature that's inside the shop. Some manufacturers recommend a range of anywhere between 55 and 85 degrees to install a belt. If you're working on a Volvo 5-cylinder that has a mechanical tensioner on it, they get even more specific about temperature. The first setting all the way to the left, well, that's -5 degrees Fahrenheit. The middle portion, that's 68 degrees Fahrenheit. And all the way over to the right, well, that's 120 degrees Fahrenheit. So just keep this in mind the next time you're changing a timing belt on any engine. There may be special procedures and recommendations for installing the belt at certain temperatures. And also follow those instructions for installation and the final tension of the belt. It's always a good idea to turn the engine over at least 2 rotations to make sure all the timing marks line up. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.